Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we are considering the finance bill which the finance minister has moved before the House. The finance bill includes two parts, the collection of funds and the use of those funds. We have got two parts of it. The first part of it is that we must be able to maintain law and order and spend the amount in such a manner that the economy of the country progress. In this respect, I would like to say that this House is also bound to abide by rules and regulation. I have heard persons, the House has heard them for days together saying about the non maintenance of law and order in the country, but this right can be exercised only those persons who abide by rules and regulation of the House. The so-called stalwart senior members of parliament are not permitting the parliament to function properly. This is very important. Is it not abuse of the exchequer when we see that the money that is being collected from the people is not being utilized for the welfare of the people? Are we utilizing that money? I say this because the money which is being spent on parliament also comes from the exchequer and from the people. Every day there is absolutely no respect of law and order. Nobody bothers about it. Many persons get up at one time when the honorable speaker is on his leg. Then also they get up and gob on shouting as if everybody else here is a deaf man. I cannot understand how the economy of this country can be improved with this type of performance from them. I would like to tell my friend that this will not help him. If we want the people of this country to abide by rules and regulation and to maintain law and order, we must maintain the dignity of the House. We must have respect for rules. If we have no respect for rules, then I would certainly say that our being here would be meaningless. It would mean that we are interested only in wasting the money of the people, not in utilizing it for the welfare of the people. I would say that every paisa that is being collected by way of taxes is to be accounted for the people of this country, and it cannot be permitted to be abused in any case. Full stop.